Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am absolutely thrilled you are joining me today because we are diving into a screen sensation that is about to transform your living room into a personal cinema without breaking the bank, the Hisense 100-inch Mini-LED 4K ultra-high definition Smart Fire TV. If you are dreaming of wall-to-wall entertainment that swallows you whole, delivering jaw-dropping 4K clarity, explosive colors, and seamless streaming for movie marathons, sports showdowns, or epic gaming sessions, this massive 100-inch beast is your ticket to immersive bliss. Imagine hosting game nights where every tackle feels thunderous, family movie nights that rival the theatre, or binge-watching series on a scale that makes details pop like never before, all powered by Smart Fire TV convenience and Mini-LED magic that punches way above its price. No more squinting at tiny screens or settling for mediocre visuals. This Hisense powerhouse makes big screen luxury accessible, affordable, and awe-inspiring. Stick around because by the end you will understand why the Hisense 100-inch Mini-LED 4K ultra-high-definition Smart Fire TV is a must-have for home theatre enthusiasts, value seekers, and anyone craving cinema-scale excitement. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us jump into the features that make this Hisense giant a true standout. At the heart is the massive 100-inch 4K ultra-high-definition Mini-LED QLED panel boasting up to 600 local dimming zones for incredible contrast ratios hitting 5,000 to 1, creating deep blacks and bright highlights that make dark scenes shadowy and HDR explosions truly pop without the washout. Quantum dot technology delivers over 1 billion shades of vibrant, lifelike colors, while peak brightness soars beyond 2,000 nits, ensuring visibility even in sunlit rooms. The advanced HiView engine processor intelligently upscales non-4K content to near-native sharpness, turning cable shows or old DVDs into stunning visuals that look brand new. On the smart side, it runs Amazon Fire TV for effortless streaming with access to Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and thousands of apps, complete with Alexa voice control for hands-free searches, smart home integration, and personalized recommendations. Gaming gets a boost with native 144Hz refresh rate, variable refresh rate, auto-low latency mode, and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for tier-free sub-10 millisecond input lag play on PS5 or Xbox, making it a console dream without extra gear. Audio comes alive with a built-in 2.1 channel 50-watt system featuring Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X for immersive surround sound that fills the room, syncing perfectly with on-screen action for dialogue clarity and bass punch. Connectivity is robust with 4 HDMI ports, including 2 HDMI 2.1 for 8K pass-through, 3 USB ports, Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.0, and eARC for premium soundbars. The sleek design measures about 89 inches wide, 51 inches tall, and just 3 inches deep without the stand, weighing around 130 pounds for sturdy wall mounting or tabletop setup. It includes a full-function remote with voice capabilities and supports Apple AirPlay and Google Assistant too. Priced around $1,899, it packs premium features into a wallet-friendly package that rivals TVs twice the cost. Okay, now for the honest breakdown. Pros and cons based on real-world testing in bright living rooms, dim home theaters, and everyday family setups. Pros first. Number 1, the Mini-LED backlighting and quantum dots deliver stunning picture quality with vibrant colors, deep contrast, and brightness that handles any lighting, making movies and sports look cinematic. Number 2, the 100-inch size creates an unbeatable immersive experience for under $2,000, a steal compared to pricier brands. Number 3, Fire TV integration is seamless and user-friendly, with fast navigation and endless content at your fingertips. Number 4, gaming performance shines with low lag and high refresh rates, perfect for next-gen consoles. Number 5, the built-in audio surprises with clear, room-filling sound that often skips the need for a soundbar right away. Overall, it turns ordinary viewing into extraordinary events with easy setup and reliable smarts. Now, cons to keep it real. 1, the massive size and weight, around 130 pounds, make delivery and installation a two-person job and it demands plenty of wall or floor space. 2, while bright, it is not quite OLED-level black in pitch-dark rooms with minor blooming in high-contrast scenes. 3, Fire TV can occasionally lag during heavy app use, though updates fix most issues. 4, the remote feels basic compared to premium competitors, lacking backlighting for darkroom fumbling. 5, viewing angles are good, but drop off slightly from the sides, best for centered seating. But here's the deal, the pros far outweigh the cons for most folks. If you want a colossal screen that delivers theatre-quality visuals, smart convenience, and gaming prowess without the premium price tag, this Hisense nails it. It is not ideal for tiny rooms or ultra-critical cinephiles chasing perfect blacks, but for big families, sports fans, and budget-savvy entertainment lovers, it is an absolute game changer. So my recommendation, grab the Hisense 100-inch Mini-LED 4K ultra-high definition Smart Fire TV right now. It is the ultimate upgrade for jaw-dropping home entertainment that fits your life and wallet. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your living room deserves this level of wow. Before we wrap, smash that subscribe button for more tech triumphs that save time and money, and drop a like if this sparked your upgrade itch. What is your dream screen size? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, you legends. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.